Have you ever heard of turmeric? It's a spice commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine, and it's also known for its potential health benefits. In fact, turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, has been studied extensively for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curious to know more? In this video, we will be diving into the potential health benefits of turmeric and curcumin and how they might help to improve your overall well-being. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the power of turmeric. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine to treat a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to respiratory problems. The bright orange color of turmeric comes from its active ingredient, curcumin, which is also responsible for many of its health benefits. In addition to its potential health benefits, turmeric is also a popular natural dye and has been used to color textiles and even Buddhist robes. Turmeric is a member of the ginger family, and its root is typically ground into a powder for use in cooking or supplements. Let's now discuss some of the health benefits of turmeric and its active ingredient, curcumin. And if you like these videos, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, as that really does help the channel. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation and the swelling in the body. This makes it a potential natural remedy for conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and even digestive disorders. Antioxidant properties. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant, which means it can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which is linked to a number of chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Brain health. Some studies suggest that curcumin might have neuroprotective properties, which means it could help protect the brain from damage and improve cognitive function. There is also some evidence that curcumin may be helpful in reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Heart health. Some research has suggested that curcumin may have a protective effect on the heart, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. It may help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and improve blood vessel function. Digestive health. Turmeric has traditionally been used to aid digestion, and there is some evidence to suggest that it may have beneficial effects on the digestive system. It may help to reduce symptoms of indigestion and bloating, and may even be helpful in treating conditions such as ulcerative colitis and irritable bowel syndrome. While turmeric and curcumin may have many potential health benefits, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand their effects on the body. As with any supplement or natural remedy, it's always a good idea to talk to a healthcare provider before starting to take turmeric or curcumin, especially if you are currently taking medication or have any underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching this video on the health benefits of turmeric. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content, and let me know in the comments if you have any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thank you for watching.